If you're curious on how a world champion with 2 jobs manages to stay flexible, stick with me. This isn't a do this perfectly kind of routine. It's just what I do every day. Some days it's longer, some days it's shorter, but I always come back to this routine. I start with leg raises, 10 to 20 of each leg. I do front, side, and crescent. I don't really know what this is called, but I'll squat down and push my knees back, and it stretches my groin really well. I'll typically hold it for around 30 seconds. I like to do a hamstring stretch where I go from one side to the other side. And instead of in my hamstring, I typically feel it in my IT band, which is why this is my stretching routine. I haven't been as consistent with these because I haven't been kicking as much, but when I'm doing my full routine, my splits are a non-negotiable. I'll typically hold all 3 for about a minute. My hamstrings have been, and I think always will be, my least flexible muscle, so I gotta keep these in the routine. I'll reach and hold for around 30 seconds, but I'll do this a few times. I've added the figure 4 to stretch out that glute for around 30 seconds to a minute because ever since I tore it, it's been super tight. I like to finish my routine with this quad hip flexor psoas stretch that I feel from my knee all the way to my stomach. I'll hold it for around 30 seconds because any longer and my knee starts hurting. This was my stretching routine and what works for my body. If you're looking for stretches to add to your routine, I have in-depth tutorials and a playlist on here that I continually add to. Either way, keep stretching, your body will thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.
Oh yeah.